Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and spice seeker.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Anna is making mango sorbet with a kick. These are honey mangoes. They have a small seed and super creamy flesh, perfect for sorbet. Blend with sugar, water, lime juice, and salt until the mixture is smooth as can be. Now, let it chill out. Before you churn, stick the storage container in the freezer. Here's the spicy twist, a chipotle chocolate ripple. Smoky chipotles keep all the sweetness in check. Drizzle the chocolate in a slow, thin stream. The chocolate will freeze instantly into chips. Freeze for a few hours. Your patience will be rewarded. Scoops all around. And that's spicy mango sorbet in 5 ingredients. Let's eat!